Hi, Mark T. the Handyman here. Today, we are going to go through all the different events that can cause an LO fault code on your Hayward pool heater. But we are going to concentrate on the LO fault code that is initiated by the vent pressure switch. On the Hayward H200 Universal 8 Series pool heater, an LO fault code stands for limit open, often referred to in the owner's manual as a limit string. The limit string is typically triggered by several different events, such as a restricted water flow, high temperature limits, or pressure and exhaust switch interruption. The most common cause for the LO failure is a dirty or clogged sand filter, DE filter, or carriage filter that has restricted the water flow, dropping the pressure through the heater until the water pressure switch opens. Usually, that will require a backwashing of the filter to solve that problem. Next is a blocked skimmer basket or clogged pool pump strainer basket, which will choke off the incoming water supply. Sometimes the variable speed pump RPMs drop to a low speed after priming the pump, and it may not provide enough water velocity to keep the pressure switch closed while starting. Also, a closed or misadjusted valve on the suction or return lines, or an inappropriate adjusted water bypass valve also will starve the heater of the necessary water flow. And still another cause for the LO fault can be air trapped in the pool plumbing. Air pockets in the system can be caused after there has been some type of pump maintenance or priming process that can cause disrupted pressure readings. Next on the LO failure list is the temperature and limit switch events, which are caused by water overheating in the heat exchanger due to sudden water flow loss, which will trip the high temperature limit switch. And still another cause is scale and mineral buildup, which can cause heavy lime scale accumulation inside the heat exchanger, which can restrict the heat transfer, causing overheating in the heat exchanger. And finally, we come to the reason we have created the video, a vent pressure switch failure. So before we get started, we're going to do two things. We're going to turn our power off to our pump and to our pool heater. And we're going to turn the gas off. That way we'll have no accidental lighting or energizing the pool heater. So we've got our power off. We've got our gas valve off. Now we're going to just take this cover off and see what we've got inside here in the combustion compartment. Like I said earlier, on the Hayward's H series pool heater, the LO fault code indicates an open safety or an opening in the limit string circuit. The vent pressure switch is hardwired into this limit string circuit. For the vent pressure switch to specifically cause the LO fault, the system's combustion blower has to fail to create the exact pressure or vacuum required to close the switch's electrical contacts within a few seconds of the startup. The specific events, whether they be mechanical failures or environmental conditions, required to trip the safety fault in conjunction with the vent pressure switch are severe wind downdrafts. High outdoor winds blow directly down to the exhaust fan, creating a momentarily positive back pressure that forces the diaphragm inside the vent pressure switch to open. Next, flue obstruction. Debris, leaves, or spiders or wasps' nests block the outdoor exhaust top grid or burner tray area, restricting free exhaust gas discharge. Solution: inspect the top exhaust for blockages or signs of nesting. Next, condensation mixed with debris creates scale or rust inside the pressure sensing tube or port, keeping the mechanical micro switch stuck in the open position. Solution: check the rubber tubing connected to the vent pressure switch for cracks, pinching, or water condensation. Next, the induced draft fan motor failure. If the fan blower assembly fails to spin up to speed immediately upon the call for heat, the required draft differential is never reached, leaving the switch open. Solution: make sure the fan is operating properly and that nothing is preventing proper operation of the inducer motor. Next, unlike the blower vacuum switch, the vent pressure switch on the Hayward Universal 8 Series heater is a normally closed switch. It is completely normal for the contacts on the vent pressure switch to show closed continuity before startup. The control board expects a closed condition at rest and looks for it to change only if the pressure conditions on the pool heater change. I'm going to show you how to check to see if the switch is operating properly by simulating a failure of the vent pressure switch. What I'm going to do is simulate a blocked combustion vent by pushing air into the inlet of the vent pressure switch, thus opening the switch and causing the unit to go into a LO fault. Right now we are going through a pre-purge cycle on the pool heater. Next, we will hear the gas valve open and I will create a vent pressure failure situation by simulating a harsh wind blowing into the combustion compartment, and the burners will shut down immediately. There is one more thing that I've learned while researching this, is if you have a code and nothing seems to be fixing, it's not a bad idea to reboot, so to speak, and turn everything off for about a couple of minutes and then turn it back on, and sometimes it will reset itself. Even if it was giving you a code, it means that there might not have been a problem, it just needed to be reset. I've just learned that, and it seems to work. Well, we covered a lot of information about all the different events that can cause the Hayward pool heater to get an LO fault code. Hopefully, this video was informative. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up or a like. If you want to see more of my videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to comment. I sure do like to hear from you. Thanks for watching.